Officer Spencer Bristol died while chasing down a suspect who was running across the interstate. Now there's new legislation that would punish those who prompt police chases that end with an officer injured. News Channel 5's Kyle Horan is with us now from the Capitol.
And Kyle, this bill is actually named for Officer Bristol.
Yeah, and according to the bill's sponsor, the suspect that Bristol was chasing is actually responsible for the officer's death. House Majority Leader William Lamberth has introduced the bill today. It's named in honor of the Hendersonville police officer who was killed in the line of duty. The Spencer Bristol Act would increase the penalties for evading arrest when a law enforcement officer is injured or dies in the pursuit of a suspect. Officer Spencer Bristol was hit and killed during a chase on I-65 near Goodlettsville on December 30th. Lamberth says while that death was tragic, it highlighted a need for increased penalties for suspects who put officers in danger.
You don't know why that person's fleeing. You don't know if again, if they are wanted, if they are fleeing for whatever reason. But what we would really like is that folks just don't run from the police. And when an officer asks you to stop, when they initiate their blue lights and siren, just stop. It's not worth that person's life or the officer's life or any innocent bystanders that are just involved in any kind of a chase for someone to evade arrest.
And in such a case, if an officer is injured, the penalty would now be 3 years in prison. If that officer is killed, the penalty is much higher than that. Reporting live at the state capitol, Kyle Horan, News Channel 5.